Hi guys, so today please download this game called let me just check. It's called Draw Rest. So basically you have to play to earn Robux. If you're a pro bacon on Roblox that needs Robux, this is the game for you. It gives you Robux when you have enough. So you get Robux by doing stuff.
If you want to get free Robux, please download Race City.
There's another ad, but
60 seconds.
You can get 1 million Robux.
an ad and an ad. Don't play this if you don't have neither of these games. You should play the game I'm gonna show you. This is the game. So you have to guess what's missing. It's a nose. So basically, you have to do stuff to earn some Robux in game, and then you have to go to something in the app to redeem it, and you get Robux for free from another app. That's what this game does. So go install it. This was an ad. I made it by myself. I don't know how to make real ones.